Try this. Turn off the music. Turn off the TV. If you have to, turn off the computer. Then, go into another room and sit in total silence. Do you hear that? That ringing? People say it is your brain making up a sound to explain the silence. People lie. I can't tell you what is making that sound, but whatever it is, you don't want to meet it. It is trying to break through, force its way onto our plane of existence. Now try this. Repeat the first steps. Turn everything off. This time, turn the lights off too. Still hear that ringing? You better hope so. If you don't, it's because they've finally managed to break through. Break through and into your head. And no amount of running will save you.